this into this. All right. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use ribbons and bows to elevate the class of your decor into simply pure elegance. So these foil flowers I have purchased from Dollar General at a very affordable price, $5 each, and the ribbon is $1. So guys, hey, it is quite affordable. You can use these pieces anywhere in your home, your kitchen, your island, bathroom, office space, including outdoors. So guys, the sky is the limit. All we need to do here, guys, is get some wire ribbons, and other items will be a pair of scissors, which I think you may already have at home, some pipe cleaners or floral wire, and you are good to go. So we're going to be changing this into that. So I purchased two of these beautiful things, and I am going to be adding some pieces and elevating the glam into an elegant, luxurious living for less. Here is a sample of the one that I have completed. Don't you just love it? Look at the lilac color with that ribbon, just oozing happy Easter. You know, I am going to be changing this out, just removing that Easter ribbon for the rest of the season, the summer and the spring, just splashing it with another spring ribbon. So guys, it is quite versatile how you can use this. Item from Dollar General. Dollar General, of course, you know, you can get very cheap and affordable items. So here is a floral foil pot for $5, and the ribbons, which is wired ribbons, wire edge ribbons. This is Easter ribbon, $1, and I have here a light pink ribbon for another $1. And if you have pipe cleaners at home or floral wires, that will do. The first thing we're going to do is remove the jute tie that I place around it, because we are going to be enhancing that into a glossy ribbon to give it a pizzazz appearance. That is exactly what we're going to do here. I'm going to make a bow. So I do have some Christmas videos where I showed how to make different types of bows. So if you are interested in knowing how you can make your bows, please, I will be adding that link on, so you are free to check that out. So here we go. Gonna give that a twist to lock that in place so that it's not there, and then I will start creating some loops right there. Give that a twist. Bring it up. I don't want my loops, because it's a small vase, so I don't want my loops to be too big. So you can see the size of the loops that I am creating. Okay, I want it dramatic, but not overly dramatic. Loop, you twist, and loop. So I'm going to be doing 6 loops, 3 on each side. Okay, there you go. So we've got 3 at the bottom and 3 on top. Allow this to flare a little bit. I can adjust the length later, and just cut that off. Straight cut for now. So with my pipe cleaner. I'm gonna make a very tight tie into it right there. I'm gonna leave out some that I will use to attach to the floral branch and give that a twist right there. Loosen this bow up. It's quite easy to do. I'm gonna cover the pipe cleaner with it because I do not want the pipe cleaner showing. Alright guys, here's our bow right here. So now the next step is to dovetail the ends of the bow. So since I'm using a very small a short flower pot, so I'm going to be cutting these close to the ribbon. So that's how it folded, and yeah guys, this one we use a sharp scissors. Yeah, so you have a clean edge. And this is going to be like slightly longer than the first one. So I'm going to be trimming this off right here. Okay. So guys, here it is. That is our bow. Pipe cleaners that I'm going to use to attach this to the flower pots. Okay. So but before we do that, using the leftover ribbon, we're going to use that to tie around the flower vase. Make a tight tie. 2 knots to hold it in place. So now we're going to come off this package look to dress up our flower vase. So you want to open up the net lace as well as the tissue, the floral tissue. Okay, fluff it up guys, fluff it, fluff it, fluff it. Come on now, give it some flair, some character, some pizzazz. Yes, yes baby, that's what I'm talking about. All right, moving on to the last stage here, we're going to be attaching the bow using those pipe cleaners at the back of the bow to attach it to a branch of the floral stem. So guys, you want to give it a tight tie and just twist it around it. So once you have done with that, proceed to open up the floral stem guys. Create that beautiful bouquet, enhancing that character, the flair, the interest in this element. That is how you elevate, upscaling it from just a regular package flora to that elegant, glam, luxurious decor. So guys, I'm just fluffing up the ribbon here and that bow, you know, giving it that yes look. Here you have it guys. What do you think? Do you like what you see? I love it. I just love the transformation of it. I am in love with this and I'm gonna be using it to decor my kitchen for now. So stay tuned to take a look on how it is all going to turn out. All right guys, ooh, I love, yes, I love it. Guys, if you love what you see and you have not given this video a thumbs up, please do so. And if you love to see videos like this, please leave me a message below. Give me your thumbs up. That communicates to me also that you love to see videos like this, so I can bring more of these to you. Guys, this is just an elegant piece right there. It speaks volume, but yet at a very low cost, living luxuriously for less, converting your everyday living into a glamorous living lifestyle. Look at the two paired together, guys. One on an elevated pedestal and the other one just on the counter surface. The lilac with the white and the blush pink with a yellow daffodil is just remarkably beautiful. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. I am going to be bringing you some more of these for the Easter decor. Please stay tuned for my videos. Watch my videos, share them to your loved ones so that they can also benefit. Until my next video, thank you, Obulu or Kimbafo. Bye bye.